Hey everyone, welcome to day 13 of our 31-day writing prompt series. If you're enjoying this series, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And right there in the comments section, there's a link so you can subscribe to get the series every day in your inbox. Today's writing is focused on when an obligation is fulfilled, but something essential is missing. For our open prompt, write about a promise that was technically kept, but emotionally broken. Focus on aftermath rather than on blame. And for our directive prompt, write a scene in which someone shows up for an event, conversation, or obligation, but remains physically present while emotionally withdrawing. Use action, dialogue, and sensory detail to convey the withdrawal without naming the emotion or explaining the motivation. End each scene with the first notable sign of disconnection. When you're finished, let us know in the comments section what was the first small action or detail that showed the disconnect in your scene. Happy writing, everyone.